Looking at this internal announcement from CEO Ahmed Elsewedy, we see the formal launch of a strategic digital transformation program. To build this foundation, the mandate selects Oracle Fusion Cloud applications as the platform driving future business operations. The cable sector is designated as the first pilot implementation. The lessons and standards developed during this phase, supported by implementation partners responding to this RFP, will become the blueprint for a broader, group-wide rollout. The timeline for this transition points directly towards an official program kickoff scheduled for October 2026. While this mandate provides the structural framework, the true value lies in bridging the historical gap between enterprise software and physical industrial reality. Digital transformation is rarely achieved through a routine software upgrade or by simply migrating paper records onto digital spreadsheets. In traditional manufacturing environments, a severe visibility gap exists. You have an enterprise system floating above the factory floor, completely isolated from physical signals like motor loads, temperature fluctuations, and real-time machine states. Operating with this blind spot introduces specific risks. Factories are forced to rely on delayed reporting, manual data reconciliation, and executive decisions based on information that is days out of date. The proposed visionary operating model eliminates this vacuum. It connects physical sensors directly to the network, turning mechanical actions into strategic enterprise assets. An industrial group cannot function intelligently if its nervous system is disconnected from its physical senses. The solution is an architecture known as the digital thread. In this proposed state, signals from sensors and programmable logic controllers flow upward, bypassing human data entry, and integrate seamlessly into the Oracle Fusion core. However, feeding raw, unfiltered data into an intelligent system introduces new vulnerabilities. Before any artificial intelligence can process these signals, it must apply the VIVO principle, validity before intelligence. This happens at the trust and validity gate. The system scrubs incoming data for timestamp accuracy, sensor health, and contextual integrity. Corrupted points are filtered out, leaving a trustworthy stream of verified information. Crucially, this architecture respects industrial safety. Through the principle of automation before AI, deterministic safety logic and machine interlocks remain fully independent at the real-time control layer, physically separate from supervisory intelligence. This structure is built entirely on the pursuit of evidence. An AI layer is ultimately only as capable as the operational data it is allowed to trust. Once that trust is established, a digital twin applies meaning to the raw numbers. It pairs exact machine states with vital business context, such as current customer orders and specific product tolerances. Consider a practical scenario. A sensor detects a spike in energy consumption on an extrusion line. Instead of viewing the data in isolation, the AI cross-references the anomaly with the active production order and the machine's historical maintenance logs. Analyzing the context, the system generates a highly specific recommendation, such as a targeted bearing inspection, rather than triggering an unnecessary automated shutdown. This is where human governance takes over. A plant manager receives the recommendation, complete with an estimated confidence level, potential risks, and the underlying evidence. We call this augmented intelligence. The technology handles the immense complexity of data synthesis, freeing human operators to make governed, high-stakes decisions. The loop does not end with human approval. Once a decision is made and executed, the system must measure the physical evidence of the resulting outcome. This introduces a strict operational rule: verified outcomes before learning. The system is only permitted to update its internal logic after sensors confirm that the maintenance action actually restored performance. This validated record enters the enterprise decision memory. It is a digital black box that permanently archives the initial signal, the AI's recommendation, the human approval, and the final verified outcome into a single traceable file. Over time, this mechanism builds a deep organizational memory. It captures the underlying reasoning behind every major action, preventing the loss of institutional expertise. By closing this loop, a standard manufacturing plant becomes a self-correcting organism, growing measurably smarter and more efficient with every decision. The standards developed in the cable sector pilot are designed to scale. The vision expands across Sewedy Group's global footprint, standardizing the digital core while preserving the operational flexibility of local plants. This scale is only achievable through the people who operate it. Operators, engineers, and executives working together inside collaborative digital workspaces to manage a unified system. When the official kickoff arrives in October 2026, it represents the activation of a comprehensively new operating model for the entire group. It is the shift from a fractured landscape of isolated signals into a unified enterprise driven by intelligent, trusted, and verified decisions. Sewedy Group Digital Transformation, from Signal to Intelligent Decision. October 2026, the journey begins.